Hey team, Coach Jake here. I'm going to share a beginner's guide to the various knives you might find at home and what they're commonly used for. Welcome to your Kitchen Knives 101. Get ready for a knife-changing video. Knife-changing? Knife? Life? Okay, fine. Let's go! Let's start with the chef's knife. This is the most commonly used knife in your kitchen. Used the right way, the chef's knife is a great versatile kitchen knife that can be used for slicing, chopping, and dicing. I use my chef's knife for cutting meat, dicing veggies, slicing herbs, and chopping nuts. The next knife that I have here is the Sentoku Knife. The Sentoku Knife is great for mincing, dicing, and slicing, and it's a close relative to the chef's knife. The Sentoku Knife has a straight edge, and it can be used for cutting boneless meats, cheeses, veggies, fruits, and herbs, to name a few. The next knife on our list is the Serrated Knife, or most commonly referred to as a bread knife. This knife is great for cutting things like, yeah, you guessed it, bread. But serrated knives are also useful for cutting things like tomatoes, lemons, and limes because they're helpful in avoiding ripping and squishing. The rule of thumb for when to use a serrated knife is when you're cutting anything that has a hard exterior and squishy interior. This is a fillet knife or a boning knife. This knife is very sharp and it's used to cut meat or poultry away from the bone. It has a long, thin, and flexible blade that is great for filleting small to medium fish. This video wouldn't be a true reliable 101 if we left out the reliable and ever so handy butter knife. This knife is great for spreading whether it's butter, nut butter, jams, or creamy cheeses. We love you, butter knife. All right, there you have it. You are all now kitchen knives experts. Your certificate should be on their way in the mail. And remember, live your best knife. Bye, team. All right, Dave, cut it, cut.